Hi guys! Nandito po ako ngayon sa Vistana Park. So, tara! Let's go! So, ayan. Nandito ako ngayon sa park. Vistana Park. Malapit po sa Dubigot MRT. If you want, libre lang. Libre lang po dito. Okay. So, today's topic is all about the 3 stages of financial life ng isang tao. Okay. So, ilan? 3. There are 3 stages of financial life. Okay. So, first is man at work. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw, tayo, we are working hard to earn money. So, that's the first stage of a man's financial life. Number 2 is man plus money at work. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, while you are working, you are making sure din na yung hard-earned money mo is now working also for you. So, dalawa kayong nag-work, 'di ba? Ikaw, tapos yung pera na kinikita mo, nag-work na din for you. And of course, the stage 3 is money at work. Ito, ibig sabihin, money at work, yung pera na or yung pera na lang ang nagtatrabaho for you. So, hindi mo na kailangan pang magtrabaho para kumita ng pera kasi na-set up mo na yun na nag-earn na yung money na ininvest mo noong nag-work ka pa. So, kailan to? Kailan darating yung money na lang ang nag-work for you? Of course, it takes time. So, ngayon, anong stage ka? Saang stage ka naroon? Okay. So, ibig lang sabihin, kumbaga, facing lang din yan, stage by stage. So, that's why we have to make sure na darating tayo sa stage na kung saan, hindi mo na kailangan pang magtrabaho para sa pera kasi you already have the money that is working for you. Nandun ka na sa stage 2 and you're just enjoying the fruit of that. Okay? So, you're living on interest na and then, kumbaga, nag-harvest ka na lang dun sa interest, dun sa earnings ng money na nag-work na for you. Okay? So, recap natin the 3 stages of man's financial life. First, money man at work. Number 2, man and money at work. And number 3, money at work. So, for sure, a lot of us right now, or a lot of you are still in stage 1 na kung saan you are very hardworking in earning money. Kumbaga take time na, kumbaga parang start na para ikaw plus yung pera mo na ang mag-work for you para nasa stage 2 ka na. And siguro after 10 or 20 years, hindi mo na kailangan pang magtrabaho kasi the money that you are now putting to investments will now work for you. Okay? So, always remember to live, love, invest. Bye guys! See you next time!